Want to know how to lock WhatsApp with Face ID or Touch ID on your iPhone iOS 18? Well, look no further. In this advanced video, I'm going to show you how you can lock your WhatsApp with Face ID or Touch ID. So, let's get started. Press and hold on the WhatsApp app from your iPhone home screen. If you want to set Face ID, then it will show you an option called Require Face ID. Again, tap Require Face ID. It will then get locked with Face ID. Now, no one can open the app without your Face ID. And if you want to remove the Face ID lock from this app, then press and hold on the WhatsApp app. Next, tap Don't Require Passcode. Enter the passcode and that's it. The app is now fully unlocked. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then smash that thumbs up button. And if you have any more questions, then please write them in the comments below and I'll get back to you real soon. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.